Yo, yo, what's going on? What's going on? My bad, guys. Stream had got cut off. Stream had got cut off, but we're back. Back in action. Yo, everything doing good? Hmm. Yeah, we're in gold, guys. Gold and oil. Gold had actually flipped back bullish. I'm only one contract in, which kind of gets me mad. Because I hesitated. I hesitated. I had took a loss. And now we're back in gold. All right, guys, let's focus on gold and oil, man. Let's focus on these setups here. Gold hasn't really moved much. Oil, oil though. Oil is lit. Oil is litty. Anybody in oil with me? MCO. Telling you guys, this one was the best risk to reward for our bang right here. We back though. Honestly, there's a lot of people that had to restart stream. oil, gold. NASDAQ. Is anybody looking at NASDAQ? Yo, as far as the headlines are going, has anybody looked at any of the major headlines that's going on right now in the world? I mean, let's talk about it. Joe Biden out of the presidential election. Like, for some of you guys, it doesn't even seem real. But, I mean, it is. It is. It's a real thing. Music is good for you guys? Is it too loud? Let me know. All right. Gold, we may be able to add on a little bit if we retrace. But I don't like adding on to positions. I want to be in my full position right then and there. And that's going to give me the best risk to reward. Everybody go ahead and drop. Yo, Matt, and anybody else that's in here, drop what city you guys are tuning in from. I'm about to go ahead and go crazy, man. All right, I think we're going to take Nas here. The thing is, we're already in. Let's just focus on gold. Gold now coming back. It's a possibility that NASDAQ doesn't even react upwards. We just react towards the downside. I'm still watching gold, guys. As far as today goes, for a Friday, wouldn't really expect too much. But gold and oil. I'm not gonna be taking any more setups. So as far as gold goes, man, we gotta just remain bullish until we see something that tells us like a harsh bearish reaction. You see how oil gave a harsh bearish reaction. Gold didn't really do that yet. And you don't gotta force it either. Remaining bullish here. All right. I need to get back in with another contract. At least two with the same risk. 2372.
Order rejected.
My order always does that for some reason.
Order rejected.
Damn. I guess I have too many contracts on, honestly, guys. I have too much risk. I can't put more than too much on a specific day. I have these set limits, and especially when you're trading on a certain account, you can't put too much risk on a specific time period like this, because now I'm gonna have multiple contracts on. I even tried doing it on Tradeovate.
Order rejected.
Still does the same thing. But yeah, gold, guys. Looks like it's time to fly. Let me get the music back going. But yeah, guys, as it's coming closer to 10 o'clock, I did let you guys know my entire thought process on gold. And I did let you guys know, yes, we were looking at some attempts towards the downside, but ultimately flip back towards the upside. And now we're in the position on gold. As far as the other pairs are going, like NASDAQ and stuff, I'm just going to drop a markup here for any of you guys that take positions on NAS. Especially if you're bullish. Oh. What the hell just... Wow. What the... Yeah, something's going on with the contract here. That's ridiculous. Let me refresh my... Am I still even in the position? What the... Alright, thank God it didn't I don't know why my stop wasn't set. Thank God I didn't set an actual stop. If I would have set a stop, then yeah, we would have been. But on the actual gold pair itself, it didn't do that. It didn't do that. Let's check GC1. Not that one. GC. We could take Nas too, but I can't take every single trade, man. I can't take every single one. You know what they say? Trade a few, monitor many. And thank God I only had one contract on, man. If I had more risk on, we definitely would have been in some stuff. If you guys are tapping back in, definitely like the stream. For some reason, my stream deck was tripping out a little bit. All right. Damn, that's crazy. Gold, man, making its move. I'm glad we actually flipped back and looked at the buys. Because I'm not gonna lie, I thought we were gonna get a reaction somewhere here for some sells. I remember I was definitely letting you guys know. For some reason, it got cut off, so I gotta drop it back. I still favor sells. What do you think? Nah, bro. After seeing the break, I decided to flip back. I let you guys know in the Discord that I took it back here towards the upside. I don't favor the bearish right now, especially after seeing that we didn't reject. We were looking and waiting for that rejection right over there to actually get in. As you guys can see, that rejection kind of rejected a little bit, but didn't quite close. Once I saw that it didn't quite close like that, that's when I was like, you know what? We got to flip back bullish. Let's go. Let's go. How you guys feeling, man? Yo, what is that spot? I don't know, bro. I have no idea, bro. For some reason, it did actually create like a weird error, like a weird spike down. So weird. Yeah, I don't favor sells quite anymore after seeing the break. I took it back long. Even oil. I mean, even oil, we might start to get some reaction here. Even that, you know? I want to buy your TP on oil. Feel free to do so, my man. Feel free to do so. I've been great. I've been great. How about you? You been doing good? I'm glad we didn't take Nas because we would have had to like monitor this over again. How have you been, bro? Everything been going good with you, man? How's the are you still rocking with ETF or have you diversified a bit? What are your plans, man? Gold, man. Honestly, with us being 10 o'clock here, I don't expect any re-entry. I don't expect anything much but re-entry. So if you're not in, definitely just move on to the next setup. Drop a one if you've actually taken a trade today. Drop a two if you haven't. I just kind of want to see what's up. That's good. Good to hear. Good to hear, man. What's up? What's up, all you guys in the chat, man? Marcus took a trade. Juan did. That's good. That's good, man. As far as the trades today, there's not really much left on the calendar, on the radar, except for maybe Nas. You can take Nas. I haven't took this one. I can only be in like one or two specific trades at a current for my risk management plan. I'll tell you guys what. If I wasn't already in so many different setups, I would take Nas here. 2 setups is usually enough, so MGC, MCO. Yeah, that's it for the day. You guys can check out Nas. You guys can check out gold and stuff. But yeah, that's it for the day. As far as damn. Yeah, this thing went upside crazy. Congrats to anybody that got in. Let's take a look at the Forex Factory for tomorrow, for like next week. Tomorrow is Saturday, so not really gonna get too much. So we do have news all the way until Tuesday. So I don't expect to see much action until around Tuesday and Wednesday. Do have forward looking CB consumer confidence. This is definitely very important to look out for. JOLTS job openings. ADP non-farm employment change. Unemployment claims. All of these are very important news releases. I think towards like Wednesday is when you'll start to see things heat up for this FOMC statement. So definitely be on the lookout. We have FOMC and NFP all on 1 week next week. So if you didn't catch any trades that you feel like will make you satisfied this week, don't really sweat it, because there is non-farm employment and FOMC both coming Wednesday and Friday. For you guys that don't know what that means, FOMC statement, what this is a press conference by the Federal Reserve, and more hawkish than expected is good for the currency. Red folder is the highest impact news. And for the most part, this is when the volatility is going to kick in. This FOMC statement and the press conference is an hour long, and it's a statement that they read, and then it leads to the answers and questions. We will actually be there. So if you guys are looking to trade FOMC press conference, we definitely will be there. We do have the non-farm employment change again, NFP. We will forward look for that on Friday. This is the change of number of employed people during the previous month, excluding the farming industry. So yeah, those are the headlines to look out for. Gold and oil are actually making moves right now from the entries that we took. Hope you guys were able to get in. But that's all, honestly, for me today. You guys have any other questions, any other pairs that you guys would like for me to go at, let me know in the chat. And I'll go ahead and tell you guys right now, yo. NASDAQ is the only one that I'm like, okay, we might be able to get on this one. NASDAQ. as far as, guys, I want you guys to know, you guys are in my Discord from some of you guys that actually been on here. But if you guys have not actually joined, I want you guys to join right now. I'm gonna go ahead and drop the link. And if you guys haven't, join the school community, right? The school community is actually gonna be something that you guys actually haven't even gotten to see yet. The school community is a crazy, crazy community. And honestly, you guys have no idea what you're about to get into with this school community. This school community, I mean, it's not even something I could even explain. I would just have to show you guys. This is going to have everything you guys need to really get to the next level. If you guys haven't seen it already, just feel free to click the link. There are many, many topics and sections that I'm going over in the Stacks Academy alongside my other business partners. The Stacks Academy will feature a lot of topics, not only just trading, but a lot of other topics that you guys definitely aren't going to want to miss. So don't miss out. Don't miss out. Join the school. Get inside. Once you guys see it, you'll be like, damn, I'm glad I got inside the school community. If anybody is joining, feel free to let me know. I'll accept you inside of the community. I actually just see somebody just got in. So that's lit. I aim to really stay consistent on everything with you guys, with the trading and a lot of other business topics. We want to network. We want to learn. We want to make money. And we want to grow. That's the main focus for all of you guys here. Literally, as soon as we get off here, it's time to grow. It's time to get up. It's time to get to business. It's time to get to the gym. It's time to network and learn as much as possible and grow as much as possible. Trading is only one part of the equation. Trading is just one part of life, one part of your day. And now you guys can see we've caught our setup for the day. Actually, two of them. Oil was the one that is actually going to hit our 1 to 5, man. This is going to really be a good ending week trade because we hit a 1 to 5 here. From our entry, it's actually like 1 to 3. So that's our one dub. You really only need 2 to 3 dubs a week. Once you can secure 2 to 3 dubs a week without over risking, over managing. Hold on. It could be good. I'm going to scale out 2 contracts, which is 50% of my position here. I've taken a little bit of profit off the table. And we're going to continue to hold. This is just to secure for risk management purposes. Usually, if it's like a good week, sometimes we'll just hold it out. But this was a good setup to end the week for Friday. Gold as well. But yeah, as far as new setups goes, Nasdaq. How you guys feeling about Nasdaq? Should we hit up Nasdaq? With us getting closer to 11 o'clock, might be able to get myself in here. We retested down one time. As far as taking this, I'm going to take a small position. The same 2 contracts that I just took off, I'm going to put it back in.
Order filled.
Oh, my risk, man. Don't want to lose. But it is what it is. This is going to be my last setup. We're in on Nas. 2 contracts. For you guys that have been watching, you guys have been seeing, we actually took gold and oil. Damn, shout out to oil, bro. I should have never closed that part. I should have never closed anything. Man, shout out to oil, shout out to gold. We are having a great Friday. Honestly, there's nothing really much else to say. But yo, it's a great Friday. We took out 2 contracts and now we're back in Nas. Anybody in this trade with me, drop a 1 in the chat. Drop a 1 in the chat if you're in this trade setup with me. I took some. Yo, what a phenomenal entry. What a phenomenal entry. Phenomenal. Man, this is the entry of the day. Did anybody take Nas? Drop a 1 in the chat. Drop a 1 in the chat if you're in Nas. That's fine. If you guys didn't take it, I'll gladly eat here. Honestly, you guys had the signal too, man. So that's what we called out oil. Oil went crazy. We called out gold. Gold went crazy. And we just called out Nas. Nas is going crazy right now. That's 3 setups winning we've caught today. The gold didn't really give us much because we don't have a lot of risk on it. As far as gold goes, we did actually attempt to sell, and then guess what? We flipped back towards the upside. This is just the process of getting into the markets. So yo, if you guys are in this setup with me, that's fine. If not, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and remove my risk off the table. What I've done is I've moved my stop loss up to my entry point. How is this important? How is this going to help you guys? What this does is it makes this trade a risk-free trade. So that $200 that I just actually went ahead and risked, that 2 contracts that I went ahead and risked, that I went ahead and took out the market from the entry that we caught on oil, I was able to reuse that position to get into NAS. So technically, I didn't risk any new money. You know, I was just risk managed. I was managing my trades accordingly. And I was able to manage it properly. And guess what? Catch a new entry. And now we can go break even on this entry. Now we don't have any risk on this entry. My stop loss is at my entry point. So even if we do come back all the way back down to my entry point, I'm protected and safe with this stop loss right here. Damn. What a great session, guys. What a great session. Gold went good. Micro gold had a wild spike down. Honestly, I might be going break even here soon. We only have 1 contract on too. So as far as this setup goes, I'm not even really. Damn. I'm telling you guys, oil was that one. Gold, oil, and Nas, man. Shout out to these guys holding it down today. But again, it's about to be 10 o'clock. Well, it's about to be 11 o'clock. It's already 10:30. For you guys that have been on here for a minute with me, I'm going to let you guys know that I'm break even on this setup. As far as gold goes, I'm also going to go break even here. Let me create this order. Stop limit. Needs to be a. I'm setting my stop. Needs to be a sell. Stop. Oh my gosh, it just exited me out. I set the wrong. It's okay. It's time to exit out of this position anyways. Oil and Nas are our focus. It looks like Nas just went ahead and hit break even We secured some profit here on gold. It is getting closer to 11, so if you want to remain in position, just please make sure that you have your stop set and you have your break even set. I'm going to set the break even on this one just so I can make sure. Set a limit. So how you would set stops is you're setting limits. So we're going to set our limit here. There we go. This position, we went ahead and went break even. So that's that. Caught the break and retest of oil. Went break even here. We can hold out. We secured two contracts. Overall, solid Friday, especially with NAS going on. Hold out on oil and just be break even. If you're in any other positions, just go break even. Let it rock. We're going to go ahead and close it off for the Friday. If you guys had a great Friday, or you're going to have a great Friday, going to have a great weekend, go ahead and let me know in the chat box below. Let me know. Drop a 777 in the chat if you're staying blessed, staying grateful. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one. Appreciate you guys. Drop a 7 if you got some value. If you're lit, appreciate you, my guy. Appreciate everybody on here. I'll see you guys at the top or from the top, because the bottom is way too crowded. Appreciate you guys. You as well, bro. Have a great day. Join the School Academy and let's get right. Let's actually go ahead and get these high. Yo, I'm telling you guys, I got big stuff in the works with some of my business partners and connections here. So I'm excited. It's definitely, bro. Appreciate you guys. Have a blessed rest of your day, guys. It's your boy Kyle, tuning out.